Have you encountered this kind of problem in Epson 3250 model? Right, pakinggan natin. Did you hear that sound? Let's take a look. So the lens is still here, not moving. Then the power indicator lead is blinking. Then what happened next? That sounds. Alright, then it showed up the problem. So this is the problem of this printer. Welcome to my channel. I'm Alden Altamarino signing on. Alright. So ito, i-troubleshoot na natin to guys. So paano nga ba tong problemang ito? Power off natin. Long press. Alright. Then, pakinggan natin ng maigi yung sounds. Ano? So let's see what would happen. Let's power it on again. Power on. Alright, gumalaw yung gear. So gumalaw yung gear dito. Ibig sabihin no problem dito sa mechanical. Then, pakinggan nyo yung sounds. Para may something na umuugong siya. Then matagal mag-response yung kanyang indicator. Alright, then the same problem. So, in this case, so the normal activity of the scanner is from this part, it will move going to this part, then going back, showing that it is okay. At this point, so yung main problem natin is on the lens. Pardon, lens, right. So, it's on the lens. So, hindi siya nag-move papunta dito, then dito, or hindi man lang siya gumulaw ng konti, then makikita natin yung ilaw, di ba? So, walang nangyari ganon. Let's try it again. Power off. Let's take a look carefully on the lens. I power it on already. Does it move? Hindi, di ba? Then that sounds. Still not moving and still blinking. And after that, alright, so same problem. 3 times, we do it 3 times, so same problem. Let's power it off and let's check the scanner. Alright. Unplug. Remove this. Remove all the connections. This is the first thing that we need to do in troubleshooting the scanner. Alright. So, remove muna natin yung 5 screw niya. 1, 2. Then dito, meron yan dito. Alright. Then, after that, wag nating tanggalin ito na hindi ito nakataob. So, dapat nakataob siya, ganyan. Then, dito iangat lang natin yung side. Yan. Ganyan, iangat yan. Then, dito din sa kabila. Ganyan din. Iangat din. Then, yun. Pwede mo na siyang bukalin. So, guide mo na lang to. Dapat ito, tanggalin mo yung sa pagkakaano niya dyan. Yung, para hindi siya makaabala. Then, that's it. Alright. Yun. So, yung pinakang purpose nun, bakit nakataob siya? Para ito hindi siya malaglag. Now, ito yung gagawin natin, guys, ha? Itong lens, iangat mo lang siya. Iangat, ganun lang. Pag ganun, ha, yung pag-angat. Then, i-move mo siya dito. Yan. I-place natin dito sa part na to. Kuha tayo ng tissue. Then, yung lens, pwede nating punasan pa ganyan. Okay. Then, before that, double check muna natin mayroon bang problema yung cable niya. Flex cable. So far, wala naman. Ito, lagay natin siya dyan. Then, let's put back. So, yun lang yung gagawin natin, ha. Ipi-place lang natin yan. Titingnan natin kung mag-move siya. Ano ba yung magiging response ng ng lens. Okay. Ito naman, hawakan lang dito. Pag ganyan, then balik na ulit. Alright. So this time, wag muna nating ibalik yung kanyang mga tornilyo. Then, di na tayo sa printer. Right, so pasensya na kung medyo magalaw yung ating camera. Balik na natin yan dito. Alright. Then, balik natin yung flex cable connector. Connection, I mean. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. So, I'm going to plug it in. So, since the problem is on the lens, then we move it into other location. Let's focus more on the lens. Alright. Tingnan natin to, ha. I'm going to power on the printer. Power on. Let's see. Alright. Umilaw siya. Tingnan nyo. May something red na siya doon. Then yun. May ilaw na siya. Moving. Ayan. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung kanyang dynamo or yung mechanical niya sa loob, wala namang problema kasi nag-move nga siya. Yung flex, okay naman. Alright. And, pakinggan natin kung madidinig pa natin yung error na yon. Still. Blinking siya pero nag-move doon. This time, power it on, off. And let's see if we'll move it from here going to this part or into that part. Tingnan natin kung lalabas pa siya dyan. Power it on. Ayun. Lumabas. Pero yung sounds, andyan pa din. Pakinggan nyo yan. Let's take a look. Nandyan pa din yung sounds. Ang tagal mag-response nito. And yun. So, still, yung mechanical niya, okay. So, nag-move siya papunta doon. Kasi when we place it here, then it moved there. Then, gumalaw naman. Umiilaw naman yung kanyang lens. Pero, ang problema, blinking pa din. Diba? In that case, power off natin. Ito yung gagawin natin. So, unplug. Remove it again. So, this is L52 3250 printer. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko, kukuha ako ng scanner from L3110. Okay, ito siya. Scanner from L3110, ito. So, yung kukonek ko lang, yung kanyang sa lens at yung sa kanyang dynamo. So, itong sa power, hindi na. Kasi, pagkaiba yon, mas maliit yung ng 3110 kumpara doon sa 3250. So, yun lang yung kukonek ko, yung dalawa sa scanner lang. Okay? So, try natin yung scanner nito, ha? Just to prove na scanner yung problema. Okay. Oh, shit. Alright. Connect ko na itong dalawa. Ito yung sa dynamo at sa scanner mismo. Connection. Then, ito, hindi ko siya i-connect. Instead of that, ito yung kukunin ko. Yung connection nito. Alright. So, gagawa lang natin ng paraan. Yan, paganyan na lang. Then, yung nga sabi ko nga, mas malaki yung sa 3250 kumpara sa 3110. Yan. Kasi, meron na siyang Wi-Fi connection. Yan o, meron siyang Wi-Fi connection. Yung pagkakaiba nila. Alright. Lagay na natin yan dito. Lapit-lapit ko lang. And that's it. Yan. Let's see. Plug in. Now, ito yung gagawin natin. So, power dito, while yung scanner ay dito. So, open natin to. Power on. Alright, nag-power on na siya. Then, let's see the scanner. Let's check. Ayun. Automatically, nag-response siya, di ba? Then, yung power natin, okay naman. Pakinggan yung tunog. No sounds, di ba? Walang ganong error na sounds. Then, tingnan natin dito. Alright, stable na. So, meaning, the problem is on the lens. Yeah. So, prove it again. Let's put something to photocopy with. And let's have a copy of it. For example, that's one. Alright, one paper. Then, photocopy, colored. Alright. Alright. So, the output is still very good. Ayan. Ang ganda pa guys ng output, oh. Diba? Alright. So, I therefore conclude that the problem is on the lens. Yung lens mismo yung may problema niya. O may problema sa kanya. Alright, so ganyan ganyan natin ginagawa kung paano ba mag-troubleshoot ng mga problem. So dapat mayroon tayong ibang references para at least ma-compare natin. So makapag-conclude tayo, ano ba yung main problem? Hindi dito guys pwede yung chamba-chamba kasi mas lalo kang matatagalan. So in this case, yun yung pinakang ginawa natin para at least malaman natin yung main problem. So hopefully, this video could help you how are you going to troubleshoot and solve the problem of your printer. So take note, this is not only applicable for Epson L3250, it is also applicable into all Epson with scanner. Epson printer with scanner. This is your Codec Alan Tamarino signing on. Peace out guys. Goodbye and good morning. Pasok na tayo sa school.